from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth DIY section today, and I haven't got any makeup on whatsoever this morning because I had to get up really early to get the delivery for the food today. So so it's the 25th of October. Oh, always planes go over as soon as I put my phone onto video. Anyway, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of room 10 and where we're at with it, because obviously we've got a lot of people coming on Saturday and we're nearly done, but not quite. Anyway, we've now decided that the blinds will have to wait, so the blinds will be coming, but they will be too late for us to do anything about. We better make room for them to be stored in the bar area. So we're going to actually get Steve tomorrow, who's coming tomorrow. I'm not sure about any other days, but so far tomorrow, to put all the curtain poles back up. So we're going to put the curtains in 10, what other rooms? One there should be easy. The fixings are on the wall, just got to put the poles bits back on. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we're going to just put curtain poles that we normally had in the living room, not in the living room, in the restaurant area, because there was curtains there when we first moved in, and we kept all the poles, and then we can just move those poles once we're done, the blinds are back, and put them back in the restaurant area, because we want to put the curtains back in there. So the next mission for work is to carry on finishing this room 10 and then start on the restaurant bit. But I will have a break first because I have been working solidly every single day, every single minute of every single day so far, trying to get all these rooms organised for Patricia. So I'll just show you 10 and where we're at. So we're nearly done. Anyway, let me turn the camera around and we'll look at this. You can see I've got the curtains ready, so I have actually washed these. They're just going to have to go back up crease. I cannot be ironing those, I'm afraid. So I've got the curtains ready. I've cleaned all these windows, by the way. All these windows have been cleaned inside and out. I've done everything. So I've moved this little table in here that we had. I think this was Simon's parents' table, as was Simon's parents' table, and that gets really big. There's 2 leaves in the cupboard that also go here, and we do have all the chairs, but we're just putting 3 chairs in here because there's only 3 people staying in here. There's a Z bed going to go here for the 3rd person, because I think the other 2 are a couple. Well, I hope so, because it doesn't say triple, it says, well, whatever, I don't remember now. Anyway, if they do need another Z bed, we'll make sure we've got one. And Lord, look at this carpet, it's awful. This is faded. But anyway, we're going to put the bed in, which is here. So this is like 2 beds. They're like 2 single beds, and they adjust. You can put one up and one down and all that sort of nonsense. Like the head, you know, you can squash yourself in half if you want. Anyway, Simon had this bed for many years. We had this up in our flat, and now it's down here. So it's going to go here. I haven't got round to doing the skirting boards, but the rooms have all been painted, and I've just taken out all our clothes out of these 2 wardrobes. So, and I've just sprayed them with air freshener, and I've cleaned them with some bleach, but they do need painting. But these doors, they're not being done yet, so we're going to do the inside of these cupboards, well, I will, and like paint it all in there so it's all nice, and they've got enough hangers, but that's not today. We haven't got time to do that now, but at least they can hang their coat up somewhere. I don't know what's going on with this wardrobe. That's got a little bit of damage there, which we're going to sort out. I'll sort that out, it won't be difficult. Anyway, so this is done. We've got the television in here. There's another chair there. We'll have to put that up at the table. It looks a bit odd there. And show the bathroom. So we've got the rail here ready for the curtain to go back up here. And then in here I've put some rails but look in the bathroom. The bathroom's all done. We've got new lights. I might have showed you that the other day. What else needed doing in here? Yeah, new one of these I've got a new one of those. I've just got to fill it up. I've got a chrome one to go next door because these ones aren't coming till the 31st. Whereas I bought chrome one that's coming Thursday. And oh look, the light. Yeah, I showed you this, didn't I? Anyway, I've got to finish just cleaning this off a bit, and then that'll be done. So that's all done, and then yeah, so that's all done. So this room's done now. So we just got to put the bed up. Then I might see if I can quickly clean the floor with the carpet cleaner. But I swear this is just faded. But I will try with the carpet cleaner. But I didn't want to make it too wet because I want the room to dry. So we might have to put the heating on in here, or a heater, to make sure it dries. And then in here, so that's the curtain to go in there. So I've tidied all this up, stacked all the paint and everything over there. Simon will take all his tools out here, won't leave them in there. And then Patricia, I've put all these bits of carpet down so they can walk through here. So they're going to use this shower room. So we had to put a new one of these in here as well. So we bought 2 of these. This is basically done. I'm just going to quickly dust over it. It's all done in here. Yeah, I put up the shower curtains, done. Put the mat in. Everything's really pristine in here. Oh, need to put glasses in here. Fill up the soap dispenser. I think this one might need filling. Oh yeah. Oh no, there isn't one there. Oh, this is the one that's coming on Thursday. Nearly had a panic attack there. Anyway, so that's done. And out in the hall, we've just got loads of rubbish, by the way. We've got a skip now, so I've been putting loads of stuff in the skip. Loads of stuff, loads more stuff to get rid of. I just took that awful luggage carrier out. Right, let's just have a look. So, oh, I done on my bar. I don't know if I showed you that. Yeah, I did. It's in another video. I haven't put the video up yet, I don't think. Anyway, so I'm going in here next. So what I'm going to do is just clear away all this mess, and then I'm going to recheck all these tablecloths, and then maybe redo some, but they've not been used basically. But dust all this, give it a good hoover, and then get Sandra to relay all the tables when she comes. I'll just double check she's coming on Friday. We've put this panel back up here. Oh yeah, I've showed you all over there. That's all done now. Okay, and then over here, yeah, we just need to put the tables and chairs back together again. I did start it yesterday, and then something happened, so I couldn't continue. And then over in the hallway, I managed to get 2 coats of stain on the top of this wood, because that's really important that that's done. Showed you all the drinks the other day, didn't I? Anyway, then we just need to sweep up here. This stuff, just got to take the stuff out of the... Inky, got to take the stuff out of the shower room, because we're now going to have to use it, because the boiler, we've got the same issue with the boiler, that it wasn't drained down again when the guy put it in. I swear we said that we weren't using it. Oh, anyway, so we're not going to have hot water in the caravan again. I did start clearing this out. There's not much in here, just this table and these few chairs. And these camp chairs and these nets, which I'll just pop next door, and then just quickly clear this all up and it'll be ready. That's just the way life is. Anyway, I will show you upstairs in the next video, and I will show you the progression of all of what's going on in here. So we're on the 25th today, she's coming on the 29th. I've got to go and get Tweetles, oh, look at her sitting at the front of her cage, look. So I'm going to get Tweetles a rabbit hutch instead of this cage. Anyway, that's it. So it's very dark in here, there's no lights on. So this room just needs a dust and a quick hoover. We haven't done nothing in here, thank God. Untouched. Literally the only room. Anyway, so what are you doing, Enki? I'll feed you in a minute. Oh, we've brought a nice chair in from her. Look at this chair. So we had this chair already in our garage. So I've decided to bring it in, because it really suits our colour that we're doing now. So we brought this chair back in from the garage. We were going to get rid of that. There is a plain one in there, but it's like an auto, a weird, it's a wingback one, but it's not as nice as this one. So there we are. So next time you see this, it will be all tidy and ready to roll. It's already been cleared out once, because I had some visitors, some friends come over, not last week, the week before, and this was all cleared out, but now it's all cluttered again. These are the mattresses for the beds that, well, these go on the mattresses. These are mattress covers, they go on these mattresses, which are like foam, and these are going in room 10. So they're the mattresses. Anyway, I need to feed my dog now, so I will see you soon, and I'll show you upstairs. Okay, bye.